and come to this website gov.uk and type in view your eVisa in the search bar, and you can see this one, view and prove your immigration status, get a share code. Click on that link. That's how you start it, and then you can now scroll down. Remember that to log in you need details of your identity document, date of birth, or access to a mobile phone. So just click on start now. On the next page it says, what identity document did you use when you created your account? It's a passport this time around because we updated our eVisa with my passport. It says, what is your passport number? So I'll provide my passport number. Then I provide my date of birth on the next page. And then on the next page, I would now select how I want to receive a security code. I'll say through text message, SMS. Then they'll send this 6-digit security code that I have to use because it will expire in 10 minutes. And then after that, the next page is, this can pop up sometimes, but just click on back to application when it says you're already logged in, and then you have access to your eVisa here. Your eVisa has your name, date of birth, nationality, status, valid from and valid until. Now, if you're on a skilled worker visa, you would have the national insurance part. I think that's the part that many of us are worried, especially if we are on a dependent visa like me. This part here, which is the national insurance number, if you read about it. But anyway, that's not what this video is all about. Now, if you want to print this page, this is what you're going to do. Click on the 3 dots. You see these ones at the edge, that's top right of your computer. And once you click on it, this will pop up. So you scroll down to print or hold on to your keyboard, Control P. So the next thing you're going to do, when this pops up, you can now save as PDF and then print. It will save as a document or attachment on your computer, and then you can now print it. That is just how you can go about it, because you can just easily carry it around in your, maybe put it in your passport as you're traveling, and you can present it. Another way is when you access it through your phone. So this is what you would do before you show the people at the border your eVisa. So you Google gov.uk, you put the search bar and you type in view your eVisa, and then you click on search. As usual, when this pops up, you scroll down, you see this view and improve your immigration status. You click on that. On the next page, you would see this. Then you scroll down to start now, and then you provide your identity document. I choose passport. Then what is your passport? You put your passport number. The next thing, they'll ask you for your date of birth. You put your date of birth. Then after that, they will ask you for security code that they will provide to your phone or email. And you give them that security code, then your eVisa will open. Just take a screenshot and then crop it and save it on your phone, or maybe print it out if you want. It's an alternative and it works. Seriously, just save it on your phone like I just did. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've benefited a lot from this video. Share this video with your family and friends so that they don't have any challenges in the borders. If you're having challenges, please contact the Home Office. There are eVisa help service that will help you if you have one problem or the other. If you're experiencing any errors in your documents, then you need to report those errors. And if you need to update your records and you're struggling, then reach out to the Home Office. They will help you with the process of updating your record. Please do not wait till the last minute to update your record. I have videos on this channel. I'll put some of the links here so that you can learn or study how to do it yourself, the step-by-step process of how you can update your record or link your passport, your latest passport, to your eVisa. Remember that your personal details has to be updated too. I'm talking about address and so many other things that could change over time. I wish you the best. Bye-bye.